Hot news, Connie Ferguson gushes over her daughters. Proud mom Connie Ferguson gushes over her two daughters. Connie Ferguson along with her husband have been making headlines lately with their company Ferguson Films being at the center of a huge debate in their industry. The mom of two and grandmother of one seemed to be focusing more on her family life and loved ones. Following all the bad press, Connie took to Instagram posting some of the people who have had her back, including her sister, Carol Bauer, and recently her daughters. Connie shared a special appreciation post to her two gorgeous daughters Lisette Matsinian and Alicia Ferguson, gushing over how blessed she feels to have them. "How did I get so lucky? I love you, my princesses," at Sadai Matsinian at Ali.Ferguson. "You're everything a parent could hope for and more," the actress gushed. Connie is not the only celeb who has recently taken to social media to appreciate her kids. Actress Rami Chouin recently made headlines when she went on Twitter to promote her daughter's unpopular business.
Yeah.